These are the Kalahari Lions. The two males have brothers. It's what we call it a collation. So a collation is actually a group of brothers. They share the same territory, food, and the females. But there must be a dominant male amongst them. The big male that you see there, his name is George. For one to be dominant, he must earn it. Get in fights, win fights. All the fights result to death as well, okay? Having two males, it's better than having one male. Because remember now, if another male can come in their territory, obviously it's gonna be 2 against 1. In a captive area, the lifespan, they can actually live up to 25 years, but in the wild, roughly about 12 to 15 years. The reason for that, you look at competition, it's very high.
Did you know lions have a relatively slow metabolism compared to smaller carnivores? In the wild, lions may only hunt once or twice a week. This frequency depends on how big the prey is that was killed. Male lions typically weigh between 330 and 570 pounds. And female lions typically weigh between 260 and 400 pounds. Female lions are smaller and more agile, which assists during hunting. They can eat up to 15% of their body weight and then go days without eating.
So the lions are quite fast. They reach a top speed of about 80 kilometers an hour. 100 meters, they actually do it in 5 seconds. So imagine you're being chased by one of these giants.
100 meters is roughly 109 yards, and a U.S. regulation football field is 120 yards long, including the end zones. The fastest sprint recorded by a male was in 2009 when Usain Bolt ran 100 meters in 9.58 seconds. He ran at a speed of about 23.4 miles per hour. Florence Griffith Joyner, Flojo, ran the same race in 1988 and recorded a time of 10.49 seconds. Imagine a lion running the length of a football field in just over 5 seconds. If 2 of the fastest humans to ever live does not stand a chance at outrunning a lion, imagine the chance you or I would have.
Only way to survive, make sure you run faster than the person next to you. At the back of the ears, they have a black mark. A tip of the tail at the end, it's a bit bushy. It's black. So those are communication signal. Mommy, daddy walks in front in most cases. So should there be danger, you will see the ears go flat on their back to alert the babies to be more careful of the footsteps. And the tip of the tail, they use it when they hunt on long grasses. It's a communication signal to guide the babies where to go and where not to go. The hair that you see there, we refer to it as a mane. It's like a beard. Start to develop in a period of 10 months, but are fully grown roughly at the age of 4 years or 5 years. So the bigger the mane is, the more attractive you are to the ladies. The bigger the mane is, the more dominant you become in the pride. So the more you mate is the more your mane grows as well and becomes stuck. And the mane is there to protect the neck of the lion, because whenever they fight, they always target the neck. You will sometimes hear them roar. Whenever they roar, it's when they mark a territory. It's when they communicating with one another. We call that a territorial call. So if these groups, they can start to roar. The other groups, if they are interested, they will also send a message back that, you know what, we can hear you, we can do it better than you. That's what we call it, a territorial call.
Did you know, arguably the greatest rivalry in the animal kingdom is lions versus hyenas? Both lions and hyenas are apex predators with overlapping diets. They constantly steal each other's kills, fight over carcasses, and kill each other's young. Similar to lions, spotted hyenas can run at 35 to 40 miles per hour in short bursts. Where they differ, however, is their stamina. Hyenas can maintain a steady pace of 6 to 7 miles per hour for long distances, sometimes chasing prey for up to 5 kilometers.
Hyena clans often outnumber lion prides. Some clans can have up to 70 or even 80 members. When hunting, they rely on endurance. With their large hearts, hyenas can run over 5 miles without stopping, wearing down prey like wildebeests through sheer persistence. If lions are the embodiment of strength, hyenas are the symbol of resilience and versatility. Their sharp jaws, can crush the bones of their prey as effortlessly as snapping dry twigs.
As a bonus for you guys, meet Zoe. Here are some fun facts about giraffes. They are the tallest land mammals on Earth, standing roughly 14 to 19 feet. A giraffe's neck is 6 feet long in length and weighs around 600 pounds. A giraffe's heart weighs up to 25 pounds and has to pump blood upward 8 feet toward the brain. Similar to lions and hyenas, giraffes can also run up to 35 miles per hour in short bursts. The tongue of a giraffe is 18 to 20 inches long and dark purple to prevent sunburn since they eat 16 to 20 hours per day. Zoe, bye for now. Shout out to Ben and George at the Lion and Safari Park for making this an unforgettable experience.